Hi, I'm Deborah Peters-Smith from Advanced Business Computing, and welcome to the RSPA AI 101 series. In the next couple minutes, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the three core types of AI and what each type does. Then I'll walk you through how to create an effective prompt using a prompt structure. Finally, I'll share a prompt that gives you a week of social media content for your own business. It'll take about 5 minutes. Let me show you. If you're like me, a VAR, or if you're an ISV, you already know this. You're trying to keep your own social media from going cold, producing your own marketing content between actual work. None of it is getting done because there just isn't enough time. Now, AI is not going to fix your time problem, but the right prompt, used right, gets you back a couple hours each week. I can show you the foundation and then I'll give you the prompt. Quick foundation. There are three types of AI in conversation right now. Narrow AI, that's a specialist. Think like your spam filter, your Netflix recommendations, stuff like that. It does one job and it does it well. Then there's agentic AI. That's a doer. Tools that take action across your apps, like an agent that books a meeting when a lead comes in. And there's generative AI. That's the creator. Familiar tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. They write, design, plan, generate images. That's the one we're going to focus on today because that's the one that solves marketing issues. Generative AI is used to create something new based on what you ask it. Writing, images, video, spreadsheets. But the catch is vague input gives you vague output. The difference between a useless answer and a usable one is the structure of the prompt. So this is a structure. This structure is called RTCG. It can create effective prompts using these four pillars. R is the role, the identity you give the AI. It could be a senior copywriter, a marketing strategist, whatever fits the job. T is the task, a specific job you want done. C for context, the details that make the output yours, your business, your audience, your voice. And G is goal, the outcomes you want to drive. Role goal, RTCG. If you remember nothing else from this video, remember those four letters. They'll put you in the top 10% of people using these tools. Here I've copied the prompt into the ChatGPT framework. I put in my information, including my business name and the output that I was looking for. So let's run that real quick. Immediately you can see it's going to start generating all the prompts and the daily content for each day. And everything's coming together now. So here I have social media prompts for 7 days. And at the end, it has prompted me to create a graphic for each day. So I went, yeah, go ahead and do that. And just like that, it starts to generate the prompt for each day and an image that goes with it. Now we have an image and the actual content for the day ready to post. So all I need to do now is just copy this into my scheduler for the 7 days, and I have a week's worth of posts going out consistently, carrying my information and my message. Here's the prompt I used. You can write it down, screenshot it, or I'm going to have the full version with the rules and the recovery message linked in the resources below this video. Two takeaways before I let you go. 1, RTCG, role, task, context, goal. Use it on every prompt you write from here forward. Your output gets sharper the moment you do. The full prompt I just demoed, I have it in the link below. You can grab it and try it out on your own business this week and see how well it works for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and I will be happy to help you. I'll see you next time.